दोस्तों अगर बात की जाए 4x4 एसयूवी की तो हमारे दिमाग में सबसे पहले फॉर्च्यूनर आती है। तो आज जो मैं इस वीडियो में कवर करने जा रहा हूँ वो भी एक फॉर्च्यूनर है, लेकिन वो कोई एक रेगुलर फॉर्च्यूनर नहीं है। उस फॉर्च्यूनर में दो खास बातें। पहली खास बात तो ये है कि वो एक बहुत ही अच्छी टेस्टफुली मॉडिफाइड फॉर्च्यूनर है। और दूसरी खास बात जिसकी मैं बात कर रहा था तो वो ये है कि वो जो फॉर्च्यूनर है वो एक बहुत ही जाने माने बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी की है। तो उस बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी का तो मैं नाम नहीं बताऊंगा। तो ये जो फॉर्च्यूनर है इसमें क्या क्या मॉडिफिकेशन हुए हैं और ये कहाँ पे प्रिपेयर हुई है, ये फुल मैं इस वीडियो में कवर करने जा रहा हूँ। तो इस वीडियो को आप पूरे एंड तक देखना और स्किप मत करना। सो दिस इज शुभनीत एंड आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो इन एसोसिएशन विद ग्रिजली मोटरवर्क्स पुणे। तो गाइज ये अपने विशाल सर हमारे ग्रिजली मोटरवर्क्स पुणे के ओनर है। तो इन्होंने हमारी ये जो फॉर्च्यूनर है ये प्रिपेयर की है। तो इसमें क्या क्या काम हुआ है वो हम चलिए विशाल सर से डिस्कस करते हैं।
Hi guys, I'm Vishal Jindal from Grizzly Motorworks. I'm the owner of that. Okay guys, this vehicle is a Fortuner Type 2 model. It's a 2015 automatic 4x4. So there are very few vehicles uh, available in India because it was in under production for around 1 to 1.5 years only. And it belongs to a very close friend of mine. And we have done a lot of changes in this car in terms of all the mods. Start from the bumper, the grille, the bonnet scoop, and the underguards. So these things all have been changed and upgraded. And then when we come on the side, we have changed the headlight covers. We have put the headlight covers to this. This have all LED headlights with the projector lights. And we have 190 watts of LED.
190 वॉट्स
190
मतलब
watts.
आगे जो आएंगे वो तो पूरे आग पे
हाँ,
फ्लैश ही आ जाएगी एकदम।
the intention is not that, but whenever we are driving on country roads, at least we have enough lights. One. Second, we have the fenders. These all aftermarket modification lines. Then we have a suspension lift,
सस्पेंशन लिफ्ट
which is 3 inches, which is an Ironman and Pro Fender mix.
प्रो फेंडर।
This is a 3-inch lift with the alloy wheels and radar RT tires.
ओके
The rim size is 18 and the tire size is 285.
285।
Yeah. And then you come on the side profile, then we have the rock sliders which safeguards in terms of off-road, and that if we go and hit something, that at least our car is safe. Plus we have we given one extra step to climb because of the height it becomes uncomfortable for a lady to climb up.
हाइट तो सर मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हाइट तो काफी ज्यादा हो चुकी है
हाँ,
रेगुलर फॉर्च्यूनर से।
तो
इसमें कितनी लिफ्ट हो गई होगी हाइट अभी?
ये approximately this is total clearance height will be around 6.5 to 7 inches
6.5 to 7 इंचेस
clearance height है. And then coming on the rear also has the reservoir shocks. The front also has the reservoir shocks, so you can adjust those shocks and the mods. If you come, I'll show you here. This is the reservoir shocks, so you can adjust the pressure according to how you want. You want it soft, you want it hard, so you can adjust your pressures according to that. We have custom built the mud flaps.
मड फ्लैप्स।
The side arches has been given to them little extra because all that dirt should not come up on the body. Plus we have painted the entire car. So this is with the new Hilux white.
हाइलक्स वाइट।
Yeah. So the car originally was a white color, but we have painted with the new pearl white color now.
ओके
Then we have the bumper guards here. We have the bumper safety guards also. And these are all connected to the chassis and customized by us and made by us in our workshop.
Grizzly is also embossed over there.
Yes, it's done by us and made in our workshop.
Yeah.
So it specifies it's done by Grizzly. So then we have the LED strips here that runs Fortuner. Then we have the separate tail lamps. which are not OEM. These are aftermarkets. And then we have changed the rear spoilers. We put the TRD spoilers behind. We have the one reflector LED running lights here, and we have de-chrome all the chrome part of it, which has we have made it black, and the all the side safety covers is also all black. So we made the concept into white and black, white and black.
White
That's
and black.
what we have done. Okay, in the interiors, to start with, we have changed the steering wheel. We have put the GR steering wheel, and then we have the infotainment system.
Infotainment system is also equipped with 360-degree
Yeah,
camera,
with
no?
a 360-degree camera. It's a Blopong system, the higher end system. Plus, it's an automatic transmission with a 4x4
With 4x4
selective gear.
definitely.
We have in that. Plus, the entire roof light we have put all LED bulbs. The roof lining also have done black. The seat cushions have been made. The concept is kept all clear black.
All
So,
black internally.
All black internally. The roof, the side pillars, the dashboards, the side center consoles, everything is all black. So this is the part of it. Plus the LM mats are there. So better to easy to use and easy to clean. So basically that we have kept like that only. And it has, I think, system has, what do you say? The underwoofer, the decade speakers, the components.
Subwoofer
It
underneath
has
the seat.
underneath the seats. Underneath the seats, the amplifier is also there.
Okay.
So it has D-Works in the systems also. So I don't foresee you will have any problems. Anyone will have a problem with the music system.
So guys, that's all with the interior. As you can see, ambient lights are also installed over there with underseat woofers, underseat amplifiers and all the interiors are themed out to be black. अगर इस कार की बूट स्पेस की मैं बात करूं तो बूट स्पेस को एनहांस करने के लिए यहाँ पे हमने देखा है कि इसके रियर सीट्स जो है वो भी रिमूव कर दिए. सो नाउ दिस इज टोटली अ 5-सीटर कार ओवर हियर. एज यू कैन सी इसकी बूट स्पेस बहुत ज्यादा इंक्रीज हो गई है. साथ में ये जो साउंड सिस्टम लगा हुआ है, साउंड सिस्टम की साउंड तो मैं सुना नहीं सकता क्योंकि कॉपीराइट इश्यूज हो जाएंगे, लेकिन मैंने जो भाई सामने से सुना है वो सच में बताऊं तो एकदम अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस है मेरे लिए.